Hey there, in this step by step, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Android Auto problems. Whether you are not connecting, not launching, showing a blank screen, or failing to dictate your device, here, watch to the end to know everything. Now, first, let us update it. First, open your Play Store like this, tap on it here. Now, click on the search icon. Here, tap on the search bar. Here, type this Android. You can see Android Auto. Now, click on search. Slide down, you can see Android Auto here. Now click on it. Now make sure you update it like this. You can see, tap on it. As you can see, it is updating. Now after updating it, you can see now it's updated. Now the second one is setting it up. Now here, go to your device setting like this by sliding your screen down here, or find your device setting. Now click on this setting icon here. Here, there is something different here. Depending on the device, you might find it connected devices, or you can find it more connection. Now click on this more connection here. Now slide down till you find Android Auto. Now you can see it. Now tap on Android Auto like this. Now here, make sure these settings are set up here. Now here, make sure you set it up here on this start Android Auto automatically. Now tap on it. Now here, make sure you set it always so it can connect, as in it can restart the connection here. Now here, tap on this back arrow here. Now let's find the application and then clear the cache. Now let's find the application like this. Now here, slide till you find your application management here. Now click on this app list here. Now here you can scroll down to find Android Auto, or just tap on the search bar on the top section here like this, and then type Android Auto. Now you can see it. Now tap on it. Now tap on permission here. Make sure you set up all these settings in order for it to work efficiently. Now after setting up all these settings, now click on the back arrow here to go back. Now here, tap on storage and cache here, and then here first click on clear cache here to clear the cache. Now after clearing the cache, what you do now is to click on clear storage like this and click on OK. Now after clearing it, now here what you do now is to reboot your device by turning it off and on again. Reboot it. Now after rebooting your device, still it is not working, make sure your system software is up to date. By applying these steps, updating, finding the setting, and also setting up the permissions, this will make the Android Auto to work efficiently. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.